The 4.3-inch digital microscope is a sophisticated and user-friendly device designed for a range of applications. From electronics repair to exploring the intricate details of coins and various specimens. Packed with innovative features, this microscope provides a seamless experience for professionals, students, and enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into the key features that set this microscope apart. Feature highlights. 4.3-inch full-color HD IPS screen. Utilizing a high-definition 1080p lens, the 4.3-inch IPS screen delivers real-time clear images and high-quality videos, complemented by 8 LED fill lights. The large screen not only enhances ergonomics but also eliminates eye and neck strain, providing a comfortable viewing experience. 50x to 1000x continuous magnification zoom. This microscope offers a versatile magnification range from 50x to 1000x, allowing users to zoom in and explore incredible details. The continuous zoom feature caters to a variety of observations, adapting to different levels of magnification based on the user's requirements. PC view. The microscope offers the flexibility to connect to Windows PCs via a USB port, providing a larger field of view and clearer images. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11 systems, extending its functionality to a broader range of devices. Pictures, videos, recording, and playback. Serving as both a microscope and camera, this device enables users to capture high-quality pictures and videos. The captured media is stored in the micro SD card, allowing for convenient playback on the microscope screen or a connected PC. The microscope supports a maximum of 32 GB micro SD card storage. User-friendly. Assembling, focusing, and viewing tiny details are made easy with this microscope. Its versatility extends to inspecting coins, circuit boards, plants, insects, jewelry, stamps, and more. It serves as an ideal learning tool for adults, scientifically minded students, and children alike. Specification. LCD size, 4.3 inch. Magnification, 50 to 1000x. Capture resolution, 3M, 2M, 1.3M. Focus range, manual focus from 10mm to 40mm. Data format, AVI or JPEG. Operating system, Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8.1, Win 10, or higher. Function, take photos and record videos. Battery capacity, 2000 mAh. LED, 8 adjustable LED lights. In summary, the 4.3-inch digital microscope stands out as a versatile and efficient tool, combining advanced imaging capabilities with user-friendly features. Whether you're engaged in professional tasks or educational exploration, this microscope caters to a wide range of applications, making it an indispensable tool for any enthusiast or professional in need of precise observation.